The universe is in constant motion, always evolving. Similarly, the pharmaceutical industry is on a journey of transformation. This voyage is leading us away from traditional batch manufacturing. We are moving toward a new era, continuous manufacturing. Imagine a process that flows like a river, uninterrupted and seamless. That's the essence of continuous manufacturing, a paradigm shift in how we produce medicines. Traditional batch manufacturing is like observing stars one by one, meticulously and slowly. It's a stepwise approach with pauses between each stage, requiring careful monitoring and adjustments at each point. Continuous manufacturing, however, is like witnessing the Milky Way, a continuous stream of activity, flowing seamlessly without interruption. In this process, raw materials are fed into the system, and finished drug products emerge at the other end, creating a smooth and efficient production line. The process is seamless, with real-time monitoring and adjustments ensuring quality and consistency throughout the production. This shift from batch to continuous processing is more than just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about manufacturing. It represents a fundamental change in our approach to pharmaceutical manufacturing, making it more agile and capable of meeting the demands of modern healthcare. It's about embracing innovation to create a more efficient and responsive industry, one that can quickly adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Navigating this new frontier requires a guiding star. That's where ICH Q13 comes in. The International Council for Harmonization, ICH, has provided a framework for continuous manufacturing. ICH Q13 outlines the scientific and regulatory considerations for this innovative approach. These guidelines serve as a compass, helping pharmaceutical companies navigate the complexities of continuous manufacturing. Section 4, Efficiency and Quality, the Cosmic Dance. The benefits of continuous manufacturing are as vast as the cosmos. Efficiency is a key advantage. Continuous processes can significantly reduce manufacturing time. They can also minimize waste. Imagine the resources saved. This efficiency translates into faster delivery of life-saving medications to patients in need. But efficiency is only half the story. Continuous manufacturing also enhances quality control. With real-time monitoring and adjustments, manufacturers can ensure consistent product quality. Section 5. Navigating the Cosmos with SolutionsMax. Embracing continuous manufacturing can seem as daunting as exploring a new galaxy. The complexities and challenges can feel overwhelming, but the rewards are immense. But fear not, for SolutionsMax is here to guide you. With their extensive experience and innovative solutions, they make the journey manageable and even exciting. SolutionsMax and the PharmaMax ecosystem. Solutions provide tailored resources and support to navigate this new frontier. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools designed to address every aspect of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Their team of experts acts as your co-pilots, offering regulatory strategies, supply chain management solutions, and technical expertise. They ensure that you meet all compliance requirements and optimize your processes. The PharmaMax platform is your command center for supply chain optimization. It integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, providing real-time data and analytics. It streamlines operations and provides end-to-end visibility. This holistic view allows for better decision-making and more efficient management of resources. This ensures a smooth transition to continuous manufacturing. With SolutionsMax, you can confidently embark on this journey, knowing you have a reliable partner by your side. Section 6. Embark on your continuous journey. The future of pharmaceutical manufacturing is continuous, and it's a future brimming with possibilities. Imagine a world where production never stops, where efficiency and innovation are the norms, not the exceptions. SolutionsMax and PharmaMax ecosystem. Solutions empower you to embrace this transformation with confidence. They provide the tools and expertise needed to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving industry. Their expertise and tailored solutions will guide you every step of the way, from regulatory compliance to supply chain optimization. With their support, you can ensure that every aspect of your operation is running smoothly and efficiently. Contact SolutionsMax today, and let them help you navigate the cosmos of continuous manufacturing. Their dedicated team is ready to assist you in overcoming any challenges you may face. Your journey to a more efficient and responsive pharmaceutical industry starts now. Embrace the future with SolutionsMax and watch your business thrive in ways you never thought possible.